Today, I would like to give you the fourth form. Generally, the people say the fourth form is nothing but it is the ing form. Ing. This ing form is called as present participle. Present participle. I think you know already the present participle. Forming of the present participle is comparatively it is easy, but there are a little confusion sometimes. For example, formation has certain rules. Ing we cannot add wherever we like, whenever we like we cannot add. Ing is always added with the first form of the verb. First form of the verb. That is, for example, come come is there. Come come ends with e. At the ending there is e. So we cannot add coming. We must drop the last y. Sorry, last e. The reason is it is silent. Come when we say e is silent there. Silent e. When it comes the silent e has no stressful pronunciation. Such a context we have to drop e and add ing. For example, coming, loving, loving, liking, liking, etc. The verb which ends in e, we have to drop e in certain context. That is specially this e is silent. E is not pronounced there. That's why we have to drop coming only. Coming is wrong. Okay. Then some words, for example, lie, ie ending, lie. If you add ing, lying will come. Lying. Not lying, lying. That is lying. Lying. Then some words ending in y, try. Trying directly you can add trying because y comes after a consonant letter, that is r. R is a consonant letter. After r, y comes means directly you can add ing. Trying. Okay. Some verbs, the last letter will double before adding ing. For example, travel. Travel. When we add ing, it is not travelling, travelling. Double L. begin, begin. Begin, begin. Beginning, if we speak begin, last letter is doubled. They are called, they are the consonant letter, ends in consonant letter. It is emphasized consonant letter, it is called. Emphasized consonant letter. Means stressful consonant letter comes at the end. For example, L, T, S, such kind of letters at the end of the verb it happens. Then we must double the last letter and add ing. That is the rule. Another word, if you take get, get. To speak getting, getting, double T. That is what I said. At the end, they are voiced consonants, they are called. Voiced consonants. Voiced consonant means stress falls at the end. Stress means what is? While pronouncing, our force falls on the last letter. That is called getting. beg, beg. begging, double G will come. begging, begging. Some remaining words, remaining verbs are common. They are, for example, work. working, working. walk, walk plus ing, walking. Tell plus ing, telling. Already double L is there, telling. Speak plus ing, speaking. Okay. In this way, this is the formation of ing. Ing, where how to add ing form, how to frame, only what I said. Some words ends in e. Already some verbs ends in e. For example, come, love, like, etc. These verbs ends in e, and they are not pronounced. This e has no pronunciation at the end. They are called silent letters. When e comes as a silent at the end, those e is dropped and add ing. And some other words ends in ie, lie, what I said, lying. So lie we have to drop and add yin, lying. This is the rule. Okay. Some words, some verbs, they will double the last letter. That for that example only, T, G, S. These letters are double L sometimes. Travel, ing, traveling. Cancel, ing, cancelling. Get, ing, getting. Beg, ing, begging, etc. So these all words, these all verbs, last letter are the voiced consonants. They are called as voiced consonants. Voiced consonants means the stress falls on the last syllable. Syllable it is called. Syllable, a vowel and a consonant together is called a syllable. Its stress falls on the last syllable. When it is on the last syllable, that is doubled. That letter is doubled. This is the rule. So let me come back to the present progressive. Present progressive is nothing but ing form. This ing form is called as present progressive or present continuous. Present continuous. Already you know, you have already learned, listened, already practiced also present continuous. For present continuous, past continuous and future continuous, all the continuous. For all the continuous tenses only, what we use the present participle. This ing form is called as present participle. Ing form is called as present participle. So the verb plus ing, this is infinitive v1 plus ing. v1 plus ing is the verb form. v1 plus ing. So all the v1 plus ing is called present participle. Present participle. Present participle. This present participle is used. Present participle is used to express an action which is going on at present or in future or in the past. An action which is going on means at present. Which was going on means once upon a time in the past. Will be going on means in future, a certain time in the future it happens, and continue the work. So it says that this ing form, wherever we get it, according to the verb, helping verb which we use before the ing, tells the tense of the verb. Tense of the verb. Tense means you know already. I till now I did not mention about the tenses and all. It is tense actually. So present continuous, present participle when we use, and before that is or am I place anyone according to the number of the subject. Number of the subject means singular number and plural number. Two are there. What are the subjects you know already? And let us go with the present participle in the present continuous. Present continuous. Present continuous is called present progressive. Present continuous is also called as present progressive. Present progressive. Present progressive tense. Present progressive means nothing but an action which is going on at the time of speaking. It shows the action. It shows an action an action which is going on, at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking means at present. At the time of speaking means at present. At present, an action is going on. That is expressed with the present continuous. And also, it has a structure. What is the structure of present continuous? Do you know? First, there will be subject. There will be subject. Subject after, we must use three helping verbs what we studied in the primary auxiliaries. Is, am, or are. Is, am, are plus V1 plus ing. V1 plus ing is the present participle. Present participle. V1 plus ing, and the last there should be an object. This is the structure of present continuous. Present continuous is used to express an action which is in the progress at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, when we speak about something, the action is going on in front of our eyes. And moreover, it continues for a long time. It continues for a long period. Then only we can use present continuous. It is very common tense for everybody. Most of the students, they construct this. This construction of the sentence is very easier than any other tenses. Okay. So, for example, I can take here is, am, are three given. Are is the plural. Am is used with I, and is for singular subjects. Is for singular subjects. For example, if I take am teaching English. I am teaching English. I am teaching English now. English now. I am teaching English now. Here, now I use the word now, means it shows the activity is in the progress at the time of speaking. And this activity, the teaching activity is in the progress at the time of speaking. If I take they is a subject, I am changing they, then we cannot use am or is, are, because they is the plural subject. They is the plural subject. When there is a plural subject, we must use are is the helping verb. Is, are, am, three are called helping verbs. Already we learned. They are working. They are working hard. They are working hard. In this sentence, there is no object. Work plus ing, working used. Are working is the verb. If anybody asks you what is the verb in this sentence, means are working, not are not working. Am teaching is the verb. Am teaching verb. Are working is the verb. He, if I take as a subject, he is attending the class. He is or listening music. He is listening music. He is listening music. So here he is listening music. He is listening music. So these all the sentences, in all these sentences, we can clearly find it, very clearly find that is ing, are ing, am ing. It's very common and it's very easier to use for everybody. But you should remember that when should we use this ing? It expresses a progressive action, an action which is going on at the time of speaking in front of our eyes. One action is going on. We are speaking about that incident or that action's purpose only. We are using ing form. So this ing form is called as continuous. That is also called as present continuous or present progressive tense. Okay, present progressive tense. Then, if I ask you, for everything has a negative. Everything has one negative, is there? How can I make this one as a negative? Negative means we remember the word not. Not is the word. If there are auxiliary verbs in the structure, already there are three auxiliary verbs. There are three helping verbs. If there are helping verbs, what should we do? We have to use the not with these helping verbs. We should attach not with the helping verb. Is not, am not, are not. Is not, am not, are not. If you use it becomes negative. The sentence becomes negative simply. I am teaching English now. I am not teaching English now. I am not teaching English now. They are working hard. They are not working hard. Work completed. They are not working hard. He is listening music. He is not listening music. He is not listening music. So in this way, negation is very easy in this case because already there are three helping verbs before us. If we have the helping verbs, there is no problem. If there are no helping verbs only, we have to split the main verb. Already I said in the first V1. V1 time we split and we brought two verbs. That is, one is do and does. Doesn't and don't. You people remember it. Okay. Then negation also you understood it. Very simple. I want to make you practice one or two sentences. I will tell you. You have to make it negative. You please speak in your mind. Okay. She is dancing well. Negative is, already you people are well experienced. She is dancing now. Negative is she is not dancing well. They are going to market. They are going to market. They are not going to market. Mother is cooking food. Mother is cooking food. Mother is not cooking food. Mother isn't cooking food. Int we can use. Int is the contracted form. Already we know isn't, aren't, amn't. So int, mother isn't cooking food. Father is reading the newspaper. Father is not reading the newspaper. My brothers are quarreling. My brothers are not quarreling. My brothers are not quarreling. This is the method of construction of negative forms. So then we will go with the present continuous or present progressive. We can use as a question. Already yes or no question. Yes or no questions. Yes or no question. How to make yes or no questions? Yes or no question framing is very easy if there are helping verbs at the beginning. Yesterday we saw will or shall are the helping verb in the future simple or simple future. There we placed will or shall at the beginning of the sentence. We got yes or no question. Here there are three helping verbs. What are the three helping verbs? One is, another is are, next one is am. If we place these helping verbs at the starting of the sentence, it becomes yes or no question. Framing yes or no question is very simple. How to frame yes or no question? First, we must place only the changing the position, word order. We have to change it. Then it becomes yes or no questions. That is, for example, I am teaching grammar. I am teaching grammar. If I speak, it is the answer. Am is placed at the beginning. Am I teaching grammar? Am I teaching grammar? Here, sentence order, word order changed. Helping verb is placed at the beginning. Then it becomes yes or no question. For example, am I waiting? Am I waiting for the bus? Am I waiting for the bus? This is the question. Am I waiting for the bus? See, here am is placed at the beginning. To get the answer is simple, very simple. What is? Yes, I am. Yes, I am is the answer. No, I am not. Yes, I am or no, I am not is the answer. Are you learning English? Are you learning English? Are you learning English? Question mark. So, are is the helping verb we placed at the starting or beginning. Are you learning English? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Answer is yes, I am. No, I am not. Is he writing? Is he writing a letter? Is he writing a letter? Here, is he writing a letter? Is the helping verb. Is the helping verb. Writing is the main verb. So he is the subject. He is the subject. Is he writing a letter? If I ask, answer will be yes, we are. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. This is the answer. So this is the way of expressing the questions in present progressive tense. Present continuous. In present continuous, how to frame the yes or no question only I have to. So the next, to make it as a WH question. WH question. If I want to give you as a WH question, how to make the WH question? Everybody knows this one, because the same method what I talked yesterday, what I taught you yesterday, the same method we have to use already. Helping verbs are here. Helping verbs are here. At the beginning, helping verbs are there. Before the helping verbs, just add what are the question words you know. What, which, when, where, why, how, who, whom, whose, how many, how much, how long, how often. These question words, whichever suitable, what kind of question you want, what details you want to get, based on that you have to place the question word. The question will change and the details what you want to get, such a question will be formed. So let us see here. Is he writing a letter? I said. What is he writing? What if I add, what is he writing? What is he writing? Answer is a letter. What is he writing? Answer is he is writing a letter. Are you learning English? What are you learning? What are you learning? We are learning English. Am I waiting for the bus? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I am waiting for the bus. Not necessary to use only what. You can use when. When, if I use here, when are you listening? When are you listening music? When are you listening music? When are you listening music means time. What time you are listening music? This is the meaning. So the question changes. So what, which, when, where, why, how, who, whom, whose. Whichever the question is, we can frame just by using the suitable question word. Question word only we are changing. We have to change the question word. According to the answer what we want to get, we have to change the question word. This is the only work. Okay. Then another. All these, I hope that everybody understood what is the formation of present progressive tense or present continuous tense. And what is the structure of present continuous also understood. Subject will be the subject after is or am plus V1 plus ing form is called present participle. And at the end, there will be object or complement. Object or complement, it is not a compulsory one. So remember the structure, everybody. Negatives, how to form is just adding not. Not, is not, are not, am not. Already we have 3 helping verbs. With that helping verbs, we have to mix is plus not, is not, are plus not, are not, am plus not, am not. Okay. Then how to make yes or no questions? Yes or no questions. First, at the beginning, we must use is or am. Are you listening well? Are you listening well? Are you learning English? Are they going to market? Is he dancing? Is he cleaning the house? Is your mother talking over the phone? Is your mother talking over the phone? Is your father reading newspaper? And sometimes negative question also ask, you can ask, isn't he working hard? Isn't he? Is not he working hard? This is also negative questions possible. WH questions means just add question word, that is what, which, when, where, why, how, whom, whose. This question word we must use at the beginning. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you searching for? Sometimes at the end there will be preposition for. When are you traveling? Or when are you leaving? When are you leaving? When are you traveling? How are you doing? How are you doing? What is he searching? In this way, so many questions we can ask. All these questions you have to do practice of your own. Now let us see once whatever we have learned today. See here, present continuous tense. A present continuous tense is a verb form of a sentence that tells about the ongoing action, events, or something that has happened around us. That is what I said already. First, it is going on. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb plus ing plus object. You are dancing on the stage. Subject am, is, are plus not plus verb plus ing object. You are not dancing on the stage. Am, is, are subject plus verb plus object is the question. Are you dancing on the stage? Are you dancing on the stage? So this all here you can find here the verb plus ing is the present participle. Verb plus ing is the present participle. Present participle, and helping verb is, or, am are used by a class of person as the first person. Am, first person, second person is, and the third persons are respectively, that is for the plural especially. It is formed along with the subject in a sentence with the verb in the form of present participle and helping verb. For example, she is eating her breakfast. Here, the verb is in its present participle form. Now, sentence structure you see here, positive statements already first what I have given. Next one is negative statements by just adding not, just not with it. Then let us see the questions statements. Questions and statements. Is, or, am, is, are plus subject plus verb plus ing object question mark. The short answer type questions, yes or no plus comma plus subject means what I said. If we ask, are you teaching English? Answer will be yes, I am. Comma, keep and yes, comma, keep and I am. No, I am not. That is what is comma given there. Examples of present continuous sentences are given here many. So you can read and understand. You are dancing on the stage. You are not dancing on the stage. Are you dancing on the stage? Yes, you are dancing on the stage. She is staring at him. She is not staring at him. Is she staring at him? No, she is not staring at him. I am feeling thirsty. Positive sentence. I am not feeling thirsty is negative sentence. Am I feeling thirsty is question. No, I am not feeling thirsty is short answer. So I hope you people understood. Then we will go to another exercise. I would like to give you another exercise to you. This exercise you have to try to do. Complete the following sentence by using the appropriate verb form. Okay. Here, some verb forms given. The list of the verbs given here. So, what are the list given here? Go, drive, behave, play, come, look, stay, wait, work, increase. First sentence, Thomas dash at my company. What will be answer? Thomas is or we have to add Thomas is. Thomas is working at my company. Is working at my company. So this exercise you have to do. They dash a football match. They are playing. They are playing. Yes. They are playing a football match. Okay. You have to just show the word there. If you show the word means I can see here. The next one, I dash for a new manager for my office. Some time I am giving to you. Within the time you have to find the answer. Just try to find the answer. These 10 questions, the above words you can use the. Later I will show you the answer. So first you find the answers there. Sometime you can write. I dash for a new manager for my office. Okay. The next dash, they dash from Las Vegas to participate in cultural fest. She dash with her colleague in a hostel. You dash like a mature person not. The pollution not is given there. In the sixth sentence you see not is given. That not you have, it shows that negative sentence you have to create. The pollution of the city dash day by day we have to do something. Dash you dash to punish me. I dash my vehicle in the wrong lane. Ryan and Jason both dash for the train. So I hope that this you understood, and once you can find the answer here, what are your answers? Whether your answers are right or wrong, you can check here. Okay. I hope you understood. The last one. Another exercise is here to just to complete the following sentences with again the present continuous form. I will give you this one. You can do and practice. So answers you should not see here. You can later we can. Okay. So I hope that my dear students, everybody understood the present continuous. This exercise you have to take the time and do answers already you know all very because already verbs are given there in the bracket with verb or without verb also you can do. Okay.